As we discussed on the old reliable and the tough guy lights, the halogen lights, halogen lighting products is not content with just an adequate product. The same is true of our fluorescent lights. This is the light, the sawfish, that I showed you earlier. It's a 13-watt twin tube bulb. We've taken that a step farther. In exactly the same size case, and this is a prototype you're seeing, we've doubled the wattage from 13 watts to 26 watts and nearly doubled the lumens in exactly the same footprint. Perhaps you can see the difference in the light output of both lamps. This is the lanternfish, which we discussed earlier. It's the 55-watt light, putting out the equivalence of 175 watts. One thing that we've done is made a smaller version of this lamp with less wattage. The lamp is approximately 6 inches shorter and puts out 36 watts. The reason for this is that many of the EDM machines have tanks too small to take the 25.5-inch light. Therefore, in a smaller area, we've provided equivalent light by providing a 36-watt smaller light. But going the other way as well, we've taken the lanternfish and in the same case, or possibly an inch longer, we've provided 80 watts of light versus the 55. This puts out 5,000 lumens of light. This is the lanternfish, and this is the new 8000 series lanternfish. Perhaps again, you can see the difference in light output. 55 watts versus 80. So not only in the fluorescent area, but the halogen area, Halogen Lighting Products continues to develop new products to meet the needs of the machine tool industry. Another reason why Halogen Lighting Products should be your preferred supplier.